Asymmetrical baby is a hip opener. So baby, you bring your feet up and grab them. Asymmetrical is you do one leg at a time. I'm not going to do this as a stretch. I'm just going to do a little bit of this just for a second or two. So my hand holding my foot is a leverage point, and it allows my body and my hand holding my foot to be 2 points, and then that allows me to relax the hip socket entirely and just let it drop. This is a kind of savasana you might consider after some kind of practice. Not the same thing, but you know what? Mixing it up's pretty good too. Too much? Sorry about that.